In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Calendly in your email signature. By the end, you'll have a clean professional signature that lets people book time with you in just one click, which helps reduce back and forth and keeps your calendar organized. Start by logging into your Calendly account in your browser. Once you're in, head to the Scheduling tab. This is where all your event types live. Think of these as the different kinds of meetings you offer, like a quick 15-minute check-in or a longer consultation. Choose the event type you actually want people to book from your signature. If you only want one type of meeting, pick the one that best fits most conversations so your recipients aren't overwhelmed with options. When you found the right event type, select it and click Copy Link. That button puts the unique booking URL on your clipboard. This link is what allows anyone who clicks it to see your availability and grab a time that works for both of you, without needing to message back and forth. Now add that link to your email signature. In your email app, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, or another provider, open your signature editor. You can paste the full link directly into the signature, but a cleaner approach is to hyperlink a short phrase like schedule a time with me or book a meeting. To do that, type the phrase, highlight it, and use the hyperlink option in your editor to paste the Calendly URL you copied. Keeping the text brief and clear makes your signature look professional and easy to scan. Aim for a simple layout, your name and role, your main contact details, and then the Calendly booking line. Avoid adding too many links, since too many choices can reduce clicks. If you send a lot of email from your phone, check how your signature looks on mobile, and make sure the link is easy to tap. Before you roll it out widely, send yourself a test email and click the link to confirm it opens the correct event type and shows the right time zone. If you ever update the event settings in Calendly, the link will still point to that same event, so your signature won't need constant changes. That's it. Log in, go to the Scheduling tab, copy the link for the event type you want to share, and hyperlink it in your email signature. With that done, you'll make scheduling smoother for everyone who emails you.